that I recorded about 3 or 4 years ago, actually a little longer, maybe 5 years. It's called The Great American Classics, and I don't do enough of these songs. I love all kinds of music. I love Hawaiian music a lot. I love contemporary, I love writing. This one I didn't write. Excuse me. She ran out of here. Listen to the words of the song. This was actually written in like 1917. Some of you people may remember the guy. His name was Charlie Chaplain. He would take his cane and walk around like this. The song is called Smile. Smile, though your heart is aching. She's back. Smile, though it's weeping. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get bright if you smile through your feeling sorrow. Smiling maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile. You just smile. Come on, everybody, sway like this. Woo! There's a face there. Light up your face with gladness. Hide a trace of sadness. Although the tear may be ever so, that's the time. You just keep on trying. Smile, what's the use in crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile. You just smile. Everybody turn around to the person next to you and smile. Come on, shake hands. You know what, everybody kiss, 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 come on, kiss. And now change partners. Kiss again. Hey, kiss. Come on, guys. Woo! Put your hands like this. Let's make it a nice Sunday, friends. Come on. Light up your face with gladness. Hide a trace of sadness. Although the tear may be so big, that's the time. You just keep on trying. Smile, what's the use in crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile. You just smile. Smile at me, come on. Smile. I want to see who has teeth. Smile.